Electrical noise in the manufacturing environment. Electrical noise in manufacturing can lead to early equipment failure. High consumption equipment, voltage quality, and grounding issues will result in dirty power. When using PLCs, HMIs, or other costly control products in a manufacturing plant, it can result in electrical noise and voltage spikes, causing these components to fail. When this failure occurs, it will result in the shutdown of part of or the complete production line until the equipment is repaired or replaced. Overload circuits and proper grounding can prevent some of these issues, but this practice must be implemented and monitored to ensure power quality. For critical or high sensitivity components, we recommend installing power isolate modules. Our power isolation modules provide up to 1000 VDC isolation protection to equipment. They can be used to provide a stable power source to controls, sensor, and other equipment protecting against dirty power. We offer 5 different output voltage models. By providing clean power, it will help minimize equipment downtime and lead to greater profits. To learn more about our products, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.